someone asked, better eating only cooked organ meats or raw muscle meats only?
How cooked? If you mean very little cooked,
like still raw on the inside, maybe the liver or whatever.
Then I would do that. It's hard because if it's very lightly cooked, really, it's not gonna do much. If you mean well done, then absolutely the raw muscle meat. Because
you would
raw
taste
muscle,
if it's off.
yeah, raw muscle meat has everything you need. It's just that.
Not when you're not healthy, though. I wouldn't rely on only muscle meats. I would focus mostly on organ meats. Like adrenal issues, you just can't eat only muscle meats and think you're gonna heal. It's not gonna work.
Also depends. Yeah, I used to eat for 3 months. All I ate was steaks and butter for fun. When I was doing 0 carb, I felt really good. Of course, after a while, again, you crave the organs. Maybe I ate a little bit of organs in between, but liver and such, I ate probably almost nothing, or maybe not at all. I think, I don't know. It was just money wise and such. That's why I did it.
Because steak is cheaper.
Nah, it was cheaper actually for me.
Interesting.
Yeah, so that was fine, but I don't think it's sustainable. After a while, you just start craving the liver and whatever.